Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your Canva presentation to PowerPoint with animations intact. If you have ever designed a beautiful animated presentation in Canva and then tried to export it to PowerPoint, you have probably noticed that the animations don't carry over. So in today's tutorial, I will walk you through why animations don't transfer directly, what gets lost when exporting, and how to export your presentation with full animations using a workaround that works beautifully. So let's get started. But here's the issue that, wait. Let's just create a random animation tools. Okay. Here you can see that I have a search for animation. Okay, I'm just gonna use a random animation. Okay, this one is perfect. Now tap on to customize this template. So here you go. The transitions, bounce effects, and motion graphics looks amazing. But when I go to click share, then tap download and choose Microsoft PowerPoint from here. Let me find the option. Okay, wait. Like you can download this image here and then go to downloads and then choose Microsoft PowerPoint. Search for Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, wait. Let's open it with Microsoft PowerPoint. Wait, let me check it out. Okay, let's just open PowerPoint and then tap on the black presentation. From there, let's copy this and paste it to here. Wait. So it is not in here. Wait, okay, let me delete this one. So let's solve the problem. You have to export as MP4 video and insert into PowerPoint it. Okay, just tap onto this, download, share, wait, then tap on to see all. Now as you can see, you can tap onto Microsoft PowerPoint and then download it. Okay, so as you can see, the download is completed. Now let's open it with Microsoft PowerPoint, and here you can see this, the animations are still here. So this is how you can do it. Like you have to go to Canva first, then you have to tap on the share, then you have to click on to download and then change the file type to MP4 video here, then tap download. So after completing the download, the animation will be added and then you can install it. And there's another way how you can do it. You can tap on to share at the top right corner, and from there you can tap on this option. You can see this three dot C, or tap onto it, and from there, here you go, you can see this option Microsoft PowerPoint. Just simply click on Microsoft PowerPoint and then tap download, as I just already did. Now open the file Let me delete the previous one, this one. And there you can see this wait, you can see these animations right here, which is been added to it. You can see these animations here. They are working. Let me show you of every pages. You can check this out, these animations, they are still working. So this was simple steps, and make sure to check the link in the description box. So that was it. And if you're a Canva Pro user, you can download each page as a separate MP4 file, which is perfect for inserting slide by slide onto PowerPoint, and then just click download. You will now have your animated slides downloaded as video files. And then you can open PowerPoint and go to a new slide or tap onto insert, and from there you can choose to add something, and that's it. Don't forget to hide media controls so the playback bar doesn't show during your presentation. Okay, and you can also customize it. You can add extra animations here. You just have to choose some text, and you have to go to animations. You can choose them. Okay, let me choose this one, then go to animations, and you can choose them from here. Okay, so that was pretty much it, and you can repeat for multiple slides. Go to review. You can also add slideshow. You can add custom shows from here, and then you can close it. Let me show you. So that's it. You can enable editing from here, and there you go. Now you can edit them according to your wish easily. Okay, now you can add animations also. So there you can go. You can add transitions from here. As you can see, you can add transitions, and now you can edit everything. Just enable download editing. So that was pretty much it. Now you can save the file, and that's it. So if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, and comment down below that what video you want to see in the next videos. So that's it. That's a wrap up. Thanks for watching. Also, I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.